Hi guys, I apologise for the mess in this bedroom. My phone's currently sorting out my first video that you'll see before this one of the Air Cordless. On the Vax Air Cordless lift solo now. I did buy another battery which cost me about £30 I believe on eBay. So that's fitted now, it's got some charge in it. So now I've got two batteries with it. If you saw this first test video, I didn't really go into much detail because it was very new to me. Just very briefly, I'll just show you what the controls are. It's got brush roll on and off, got boost mode, power, and then the lift away feature, you just push this down here, and the whole unit lifts away like that. If you're wondering what model iPad I'm filming on, it's the latest 10.5 inch one. I'm going to quickly clean this bedroom with the Vax, and then I'll be doing another video a little bit later on with the Dyson. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload all three today or I'm going to space it out depending on how I feel. So without further ado, I'm going to test it on just a normal regular power. Just with action there. I do a quick demonstration in boost mode. That will obviously use a lot more power. I can't remember the exact specs for this machine, but I know it does a good job. I think it's something like 25 minutes per battery on normal power. I'm not too sure about the boost. I am hoping to do a video of this at some point, vacuuming the whole house in a friend's house. So I'll make sure I've got two fully charged batteries for the job, and then hopefully it'll be a good video. So it's just another quick video just showing you the Vax Air Cordless in action, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye for now.